Hey everyone, it's Shakira. Welcome back to Glow Beauty Wellness here on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the dish that I just showed you. So starting off, I'm going to skin and dice up one small zucchini. We want the pieces to be small enough to be wrapped in a nori wrap. Next, we're doing avocado, and avocado is great in this recipe because it helps to mold everything together. And avocado usually just takes the flavor of whatever you season it to taste like. So I'm doing cracked black pepper, onion salt. We are also going to do some Dulce flakes. We are going to do onion powder. And we are also going to do some cayenne pepper because I like it spicy. Then we're going to add some lemon or lime juice. Lime juice is really good, but I wanted to make sure that lemon did not go bad. So what we're doing here is we are just mashing everything up, making sure everything is mixed properly. Make sure you give it a taste and add things as you see fit. And then we're going to set that aside. Now you might notice that my kitchen is a mess. It's because I just came back from Sprouts, and this was this was not planned. I just figured I might as well show you all what I'm eating for lunch today. And so I'm taking a little bit of that sweet potato, just a few ribbons of it, and now we're going to start building our sushi. I'm using microgreens. Microgreens are really good for you. And so I'm using that in the wrap, and then I'm putting some of the diced zucchini in the wrap as well. I should have put the avocado down first. It would have been easier in terms of wrapping things and building our sushi wrap before rolling it. I'm not a professional sushi roller, okay? This is just this is simple and easy. Anybody can do it. So we're just gonna wrap, and then after you wrap, you're gonna want to let it set so that the sushi gets a little more pliable, and it'll allow us to cut the sushi easier. Okay, so the second time through, wrapping or rolling the sushi roll was a lot easier, and that's because I put the avocado down first. So rolled it up and I let it sit for a little bit, and then I cut them into little pieces. So this is the finished product. I put some microgreens at the top, and I did my little thing in terms of garnishing. I have kimchi on the side there. I love kimchi. And then I also had this green juice that I got from Sprouts. And that is going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.